Welcome to class. In today's class, we're going to be simplifying this expression on the board. Now, I know seeing this question, you'll be tempted. A lot of students, a lot of people will be tempted to just write this, to write 5a minus 2b minus 3a, right? And at the end of the day, what would they do? Do 5a minus 3a, that is 5a minus 3a. That is, they pick the like times. They say 5a minus 3a is what? 2a, and that will give us what? Minus 2b. Please, this is wrong. This is totally what? Wrong. It is totally wrong. Okay? Now, the first thing or the major thing you need to do is to use this minus. Okay? Anytime you have a negative sign close to the bracket, okay, you're going to use that negative sign to open that bracket. What are you trying to do? You are trying to use a negative sign to multiply all the terms in the bracket. So, see what I'm going to do now. I'm going to write 5a. 5a. I hope you're following, right? Good. Minus, multiply, there's a positive sign, an invisible positive sign. So the minus times 2b, that is minus 2b. I hope you're following. Fantastic. Then minus multiplied by minus, that is minus times minus 3a. So multiply these two negative signs, and that will give us what? Plus. Okay? Then I'm going to bring down my what? 3a. You're going to see something now that the sign has changed. The sign for the other term here has changed to positive instead of the initial negative sign that we got. So please take note. Whenever you have a negative sign close to the bracket, please open the bracket using that negative sign, which means at the end of the day, the sign inside the bracket or the signs inside the bracket will change. But when you have a positive sign, the positive sign will actually not change anything. It will still make the signs and the bracket remain the same. Okay? The signs in the bracket will remain the same. So, but whenever you have a negative sign, please ensure you multiply. All right, so with this, I'm going to pick my like times, right? So that'll be 5a plus 3a, okay? Because they are like times. Then I'm just going to put minus 2b here, okay? So 5a plus 3a is what? Is obviously what? 8a. Then I have minus 2b. At this point, this is where I'm going to stop. I'm not going to take for. Actually, there's a way you can actually leave your answer here. There's a way you can leave your answer. You can factorize. But for this, let me just leave it here. So my answer is 8a minus 2b as against what I got initially, 2a minus 2b. So this is the correct way of solving it. Like I said, you can decide to still take it further by factorizing, but I'm not going to be factorizing in this class. Okay, I'm not going to be factorizing today's class. So I'm just going to be leaving my answer as 8a minus 2b. I'm sure you've learned something to this class, and I can't wait to see you in my next class. And until then, bye.